Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes, and yes, this is the second FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box for this month. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, generally they are a seasonal subscription. You can get the FabFitFun Everything box for $50, $60 every quarter. I do not get that box anymore. I gave all the reasons for that on my last video, but they did start with a FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box, which with the FabFitFun original, the beauty products were the only thing, in my opinion, that made it worth getting. And now it's all in one box. So this is $29.95, $99, $97, somewhere in there. I'll put it in the corner per month. It's $32 and change for me after the shipping. It's not shipping, but after like the $1.99 whatever fee and taxes. So this one, I don't think it's $1.99. I'm thinking Ipsy. So for me, it's like $32 and change after tax. So I think it's just $29 something in tax. So this one, you get 4 full-size products and you get to pick them all. And the last box actually that I did for this month was the December box. So something about signing up for subscriptions, that as many as I have done for as long as I've been doing them, I do still forget. If you sign up at the end of a month on a monthly subscription, you're going to get the box or the bag or whatever that came out that month. So when I signed up for this box, it was the end of December. And I got a box at the beginning of January. In my brain, that was the January box. But no, that was the December box, because a few weeks later, I got billed again the very beginning of January and got this box. So I've had this box in my house for like a couple weeks maybe. I'm so sorry. I just have been meaning to get it done, and life just got so busy. So now it's the 29th of January, and I'm getting this box up. But I am going to show you what the choices were, and we're going to be getting the choices for the February box very soon. If you guys are interested in me doing a choice video for what the choices are for that box, because you can't really see what the choices are until you subscribe, I'll be happy to do that. I'll just do some screenshots for you and put up a quick video. So leave me some comments below if you want that. For this one, I did grab some screenshots when we were doing the choices. My sister and I do the picks together. And by the time we got around to actually getting our picks, some of them were gone. So I'm going to show you on the screen here what the pictures were, the pictures of what the choices were. So for choice 1, we had the choice of an Ilia Barrier Build Skin Protectant Cream. We had the choice of the Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Face Mask 5-pack. We had a choice of a Kosas Plump and Juicy Gel Cleanser. And we chose, are you ready? Drum roll, please. We chose, the inside of the box. You guys want to see? It's so cute. It says Ooh La La Beauty Box. This is exactly the same box that we had with the first box. I think this is probably going to be their box style. So for the choice 1, okay, the thing that I picked is not in here. Pooh! They didn't send me the thing I picked. I picked the Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Pack, and they sent me the Ilia Barrier Build Skin Protectant. I'm guessing is what this is. Yeah. They did not send me my pick. So, I mean, this is not a bad product, but I didn't want this. I wanted the Ceramide. So, it's in a glass jar. It's nice. It is, I don't know anything about this one because I haven't gotten it. Hydrating, comforting, strengthening. It has colloidal oatmeal, ceramide complex, and we have a 1.69 fluid ounce or 50 ml size. I will put here in the corner what the value for this is because they don't tell you in the box. So not what I picked, but it is what I got. Kind of bummed. I wanted the masks, but that's okay. And they were, the masks actually were Dr. Jart. So they were going to be a Dr. Jart Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizing Mask, which I would have really enjoyed, but that's not what we got. Okay, so choice 2. So I think the only 2 choices for choice number 2 when we got to it was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Oil and the Ilia Mascara. We got the mascara. I'll show you here in the corner what it looks like, but it's in just a mascara, which I'm not going to start now because they start drying out and I've got a bunch going. So that was choice number 2. Choice number 3, I believe, was the Fenty Skin Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Lip Mask in Melon, the Shadow Sticks Longwear Eyeshadow Stick and Candy, the Olaplex leave-in moisturizer with leave-in moisturizer and conditioner, and the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Lotion. So what we picked was the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Lotion. And this is a fun feeling bottle. It's kind of roundy on the bottom and roundy on the top. The shape of it's really nice. The feel of the plastic feels like a matte finish. It's really nice. It has a little bit of a shine on the top where the lotion will pop out. And this is a 250 milliliter size. So this is right about 8.45 fluid ounces. So this is a really nice lotion. All right, so that was choice number 3. So choice number 4, we had a Fenty hair, the protective type 5-in-1 type, the protective type 5-in-1 heat protectant styling cream, a NARS powder blush and infatuated, a One Size by Patrick Starr ultimate blurring setting powder, and a Kulfi Beauty Free the Brow Volumizing Flexible Brow Gel. Gosh, that's hard to say. I think we also had a Danessa Myricks Skin Low Lighter in Low Key, and the one that was sold out was a commodity fragrance. And we chose the One Size setting powder, and this is a pink color. This is a really good setting powder, and I've got it upside down, but I love the container. It's in a frosted glass. You can see the pink. Even though it is a pink color powder, it does not come off on your skin pink. It's going to blend in really nicely to whatever you're wearing and set your powder. So that's a really great one. My sister's already claimed this, so I'm not going to open it. But those are our 4 picks. So we haven't got our picks for the actual February box. But we did get, again, we got the Patrick Starr One Size setting powder, the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez lotion. We got the Ilia Barrier Build Protectant Cream, which I did not pick. And we got the Ilia mascara, which we did pick. So I guess occasionally they're going to be out of the thing that you want, and it's just going to randomly pick whatever's left in that category. So even though you do get to choose every item in your box, it's not guaranteed you're going to get every item that you picked. So just be aware of that. I cannot wait to see what the choices are for the February box. So far, I am in love with this new subscription from FabFitFun. I was writing FabFitFun off altogether, but they have redeemed themselves. I really enjoy this box. It's in the same price range as Allure and even like the Ipsy extra box, which I don't get, but I did actually just sign up to get the ultimate box in February. So that's the first time I've gotten what used to be the icon box. So that'll be fun to get in February. But this is a great one. You get 4 full-size products every month that you get to pick. The Allure box, you're only guaranteed 3 full-size products, and you get, I think, 2 or 3 sample deluxe trial sizes. However, I got an email, and we'll find out if it's true in a few days when we get to pick, that the Allure box for February will be all full-size products. I think they're trying to compete with this box, if you ask me. So this is our box for January. I will try to get this actually up to you 2 days so you get it before the end of the month. You can actually still sign up and pick, I think, for the January box of what's left, if there's any of the stuff left that you want, but then you'll get billed right away in February and get another box. So you be aware that you're going to have back-to-back billings if you sign up for this box before the end of the month. So I hope you guys love this box. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, leave me some comments, let me know what you think. For now, I want to wish you a very good rest of your day. Bye.